Selby here. I'm going to be going over two quick problems. All right, so the two problems we're going to be going over are 9 and 10 right here on this page of the textbook. All right, so it says in the figure, KJ and KL are opposite rays. Okay, so if they're opposite rays, that means they go in opposite directions. That means that they are 180 degrees, all right, because it's a straight line. Okay, KN, which is this ray right here from K to N past it, bisects angle LKM. So bisects means that it cuts this angle directly in half. All right. So that means half is MKN and the other half is NKL. All right. So this is half and this is half of the full angle. But since they're both halves, that means they're equal. So that means this angle right here is equal to this angle right here. All right. So let's look at the first one. So first one says if the measure of, or if measure of M and the little m there means measure of angle LKM, all right, so LKM equals 7x minus 5. The measure of NKM equals 3x plus 9. So this is NKM. So this part equals 3x plus 9, and the whole thing equals 7x minus 5. So if this part equals 3x plus 9, this section over here must also equal 3x plus 9. So when you add them together, they equal 7x minus 5. All right, and luckily, Mr. Selby has done that right here. So as you can see, you should still be able to see 9 and 10 right there. So as you can see, angle LKM, right here, this big angle, LKM equals angle LKN, this angle, plus angle MKN, right? They add together to equal each other. Also, angle LKN, so it says that part's good. We've gone over that. Angle LKN right here is equal to angle MKN. And we know that because this is a bisector which cut it in half evenly. So that means this is going to be equal to this. All right. And we're told in the problem that angle LKM right here equals 7x minus 5, and angle NKM equals 3x plus 9. So what we do is I wrote it out. We've got this angle plus this angle equals the total angle. So this is 3x plus 9. This is 3x plus 9. And add them together and you get 7x. You get 7x minus 5. So 3x plus 9 plus 3x plus 9 equals 7x minus 5. Add your 3x's together, you get 6x. Add your 9's together, you get 6x plus 18. And it equals 7x minus 5. So you got to get rid of that minus 5. So you add 5 to both sides. You get 6x plus 23 equals 7x. Subtract 6x from both sides. X equals 23. But look, we're not just trying to find x. We're trying to find LKM. LKM. So even though we know LKM equals 7x minus 5, and we know x equals 23, we have to solve. So we plug in 23 for x. 7 times 23 minus 5. 7 times 23 is 161. Minus 5 is going to be 156. And the answer to that question is 156. That was a tough one. Now, see if you can solve number 10 here. I'm going to stop talking for about 5 to 10 seconds. I want you guys to try and pause the video and solve it on your own. All right. So that seemed like it was a good amount of time there. Hopefully you're able to pause the video and solve it on your own. So we've got angle, we're using the same diagram. We've got angle NKL right here. NKL is 7x minus 9. All right. And we're given JKM as x plus 3. All right. And we need to find JKN, which is this angle right here. Okay. So we're given this angle and we're given this angle. And we have to find this angle right here, the whole. All right. So we know this one is x plus 3. And we don't know what this one is, but we know this one is 7x minus 9. But since we know these two are equal, right, because this is a bisector, so if this one's 7x minus 9, this one must also be 7x minus 9. So let me demonstrate on here. As you can see, angle LKM, right here, LKM equals LKN, right here, plus angle MKN. All right, so you add them both together, and you get angle LKM. Angle LKN right here is equal to angle MKN right here. All right, angle NKL is the same thing as angle LKN. So NKL is the same thing as LKN. All right, but for the basis of this problem, I'm going to write an NKL for the rest of it. So as you can see right here, angle NKL equals 7x minus 9. Since we know NKM is the same thing, it must also be 7x minus 9. All right, angle JKM we're given as x plus 3. And we know since this is a straight line, this must equal 180. So if we add together all three of these angles, it should equal 180. And as you can see, that's the thing we've done here. Angle JKL equals JKM plus NKM plus NKL. All right, and we know it equals 180. So 180 equals JKM plus NKM plus NKL. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle, add them all together, you get 180. All right, and so we know 180 equals these three angles. We know that JKM is x plus 3. So that's why that's placed in there. We know NKM is 7x minus 9. And we know NKL is also 7x minus 9. So this becomes our equation. 180 equals x plus 3 plus 7x minus 9 plus 7x minus 9. All right. Now, let's get all our x's together, and we end up getting 15x. So 180 equals 15x plus 3 minus 9 minus 9. Then the next thing we need to do is get our minuses together. All right. And our pluses. So we've got plus 3 minus 9 minus 9. You add them all together, you should get minus 15. So 180 equals 15x minus 15. All right. Add 15 to both sides. All right. That gets rid of the minus 15. And 195 equals 15x. Divide by 15 on both sides. 16 equals x, which is the same thing as x equals 16. All right. Are we done? No, because the video has a few more seconds/minutes left. All right. You have to solve for JKN according to the problem. All right. An angle JKN equals JKM plus NKM. So we're trying to find this angle right here, JKN. And we know what this angle is and this angle. So if we add them together, we should be able to solve. So we know angle JKN equals JKM plus NKM. We know JKM equals x plus 3. And we know NKM equals 7x minus 9. So JKN equals x plus 3 plus 7x minus 9. And we also know that x equals 16. So we take our equation, x plus 3 plus 7x minus 9, and we sub in 16 for all the x's. So we've got 16 plus 3 plus 7 times 16 minus 9. 7 times 16 becomes 112. 16 plus 3 plus 112 minus 9 equals 122. So the answer for angle JK, oh my goodness, how did that happen? That's not good. The answer for angle JKN is 122. If you have any questions or concerns on this, please reach out to Mr. Selby. You can message me on Schoology. You can send me a letter. You can fax me. Call a school, 215-750-2800, extension 3179. Email me, message me on Schoology. Show up to office hours. All things are good. Hope you're staying happy, healthy, hydrated, and safe during these crazy, crazy times. And please let me know if you need anything. I hope everybody's doing well.